Guys, I have just made a Vine Boom sound effect run 0.01x speed. And this is what it sounds like at 0.01x speed. With the fractals being extremely slow. This causes it to make ear-ringing sounds. And when it does, this takes 2 minutes and 32 seconds to finish. So, if you understand the sound effect as 0.01x speed with the constant ringing, the blinding lights, and the most scarier and intense like horrific moments, this can give you nightmares. So next time you hear this, never watch this again in your life.